18, hello berries! Isa na naman sa mga priceless reaction ng ating berry. Ayan, ito yung during the time na nagpa-practice sila ni Mr. Ryan Cabiab for Gen Z concert.
We just had to be content with stealing glances.